Very good morning, student. Today let me start the physics class. The next topic is viscosity. What is meant by viscosity? The term viscosity definition is viscosity is defined as the property of a fluid to oppose the relative motion between its layers. Once again repeat the definition. Viscosity is defined as the property of a fluid to oppose the relative motion between its layers. So by this video, we can understand the concept of viscosity. Please listen carefully, watch carefully. This video is very useful for understanding the viscosity concept. Now, this is the liquid. It has the loose bond molecules. When we heat it, the attractive force, less effective force. The attractive force between the molecules is very less. So that is why this is vibrated or oscillated here and there. So the movement relative to each other. So each and every particle movement relative to each other. The energy given to the molecules. So that is why the kinetic energy of the molecules is high. Turns to liquid. The solid turns to liquid state. Further increase different magnitude of relative movement between the molecules. So the relative movement between the layer of this liquid is called viscosity. Viscosity. So more viscosity means strong force of attraction between the molecules, less relative moment. Less viscosity means that is the weaker force of attraction, more relative moment. So this is the video to understand the concept of viscosity. Now, once again repeat the definition. Viscosity is defined as the property of a fluid to oppose the relative motion between its layers. The next one, examples of flotation, floating body. There are three examples given in your textbook. A person can swim in sea water more easily than in river water because sea water is having a more amount of salt. That is why a person can swim in sea water more easily than in river water. Then second point is ice floats on water. This is the example of floating bodies. Then the third example is the ship is made of steel but its interior is made hollow by giving it a concave shape. Then the next topic is coefficient of viscosity. What is the meaning of coefficient of viscosity? The definition is coefficient of viscosity is nothing but of a liquid is the viscous force acting tangentially per unit area of a liquid layer having a unit velocity gradient in a direction perpendicular to the direction of a flow of the liquid. Once again repeat the statement. Coefficient of viscosity of a liquid is the viscous force acting tangentially per unit area of a liquid layer having a unit velocity gradient in a direction perpendicular to the direction of a flow.